What's up guys, Nathan Robb here. Today we are at the Salvation Army and we're gonna check in and see what this church is doing. And we brought popsicles, yeah!
So we're at the Salvation Army and they gave us a project to build a wall between this office and the classroom. And there was a divider here and we basically just took it out and carried it outside and we're trying to put a board there and then we're gonna build the wall right here.
Hi guys, I'm Logan from Sanctuary UMC, and we're at the Dawn Services building, and we're painting a wall. So we started up here on this pillar and worked our way down on these walls right here.
Hello, my name is Owen. We're here for Dawn Services. We're cleaning out the basement. In here we have like 2 rooms, one with hardly anything in it, and then the other one with a bunch of this stuff. So we've been cleaning that out. My favorite part of camp this week has just been just to feel good about helping people in the community and all over the Newcastle area.
Hey guys, I'm Micah from Bible Baptist. We're here today working on the porch, which we've been building over the last week. We're staining it and we're building lattice squares that we'll put underneath the porch. We've been enjoying the week a lot and we are glad that we came and worked on this project.
Today is the last day of camp and we are so excited. Try that.
Today's the last day of camp and we're really excited to have the project done, and we are excited for the homeowners who are going to be able to enjoy this porch.
Hey guys, Sean here from St. Mark's, and today we're at the Clements site working on some projects. Come along. All right, so we're tearing down this railing up here and we're also building some more stairs up to this porch. Summer here is working with this like spray paint gun, and she's spraying and evening out all the painting that we've done here. The walls were originally blue on one side and white on the other, and so we're trying to even it out, have it all the same color. As you can see, here's the original like blue paint that was used. Is very poorly painted. It was like a spray paint or something, and so we're fixing this blue color here and trying to make it all the same color.
Hey guys, I'm Brandon Tapper from First Presbyterian Church of Rockaway, and we're at the Carl site, and we took off old siding and put up plywood, and now today we're putting up new siding.
Okay Nick, this is your last shot to redeem yourself. We're going to pull in the driveway one more time and we'll see how your driving skills are.
Look at that rut. I wonder if he did that.
Not bad Nick, your rut's still there from last time, but I think you did a pretty good job coming in today.
I didn't make any ruts. Did you make a rut?
Let's go see the site.
Yeah, we go.
Hey guys, this is Aubrey from CMF, and we're down here, so all week we've been raking up here, and so it's nice to be done getting all this cleared up. It looks really good. So it used to be like up to here on me. Like I'd walk through and my whole body's like itching because of the grass. Now you can just walk through and it's kind of sad there's no snakes and baby bunnies anymore because their homes, the grass is gone, but there's more grass over in that area, so they'll go there.
Bye.
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 All right.
So my favorite part of this missions week was being with everybody and working together.
So we just finished a site and it was super hot, and then we started to travel to this new site and it started pouring. So now we just got here, we made a run for it because it wasn't letting up outside, and now we are here checking out, see what we could do these last couple hours we're here, and hopefully get something done.
Well, it's been a couple hours and now we're painting the color yellow right here on the sides. That's a good shot. It's a good shot.
Everybody, this was a great week. Thank you so much for all your hard work you did here in the Newcastle community. Wow, he's a big metal fan. That's an original by our friend here.
Hi, it's Brian from Center. We're at Bill's house. When we got here on Monday, we had a couple jobs that we were trying to take care of. We brought down a garage, which we're loading up the last of into a dumpster. And right now, we're gonna go in back where some of the guys are cleaning things up. While we were working on getting the garage carted out in the dumpster, some of our crew was also scraping the house. All right, so when we got here, there was a garage right here. Now, all we got is this big open space.
Hey guys, everything's been going great here, like from scraping paint to hauling wood and stuff. It's been a whole ton of fun, especially winning this helmet. It's pretty cool.
Hi. Hi. This is my new rock band.
Isn't this great, Shannon? Just me, you, and this wall you've built between us. Isn't this great, Shannon? Just you, me, and this wall you've built between us. Isn't this great, Shannon? Just you, me, and this wall you've built between us.
So it's been a couple of hours, and as you can see, the wall that we're building is coming along well. We are putting in a window over there so you can see between the two rooms, and we're starting to put up the sheetrock.